Today's project. Tomorrow's next day's gonna spin off these screws, undo the plumbing, shut off the propane, detach the propane line, pull that out. I'll put that back on as a valve or a plug until I get an actual cap. Pull this out because it is leaking somewhere. Somehow this is getting worse and worse, and it's got water coming in. And all this rusty metal keeps coming down. I vacuum this up and it's just, in a month, it looks like that. So this never really worked right. When I got it, it would just make a clicking sound and never really turn on. When I was living at the RV park in Woodland, I just started flicking it a bunch of times and I thought I got it to light. Never saw anything except when I opened this I just felt a bunch of heat. So it somehow ignited, caught this on fire, and yeah, pretty much. Alright, so we got the bed opened up. Well, I'll be darned. Remember a vlog a long time ago? I said that was weird. I felt like I had hot water. I had a good amount of hot water. This frickin' thing is plumbed into the heater, the engine's coolant system. That's heater hose. That has to be what that is. And that kind of explains it. That is frickin' awesome. I like that. I did not know. That makes me want to keep the water heater in here. But no, I could take it out and put it somewhere else. If anything, I'll clean it up. Make sure there's no leaks, because I definitely have something going on that side of the... I also think it's how the dust is getting in here. It's just a big leak. So yeah, there's 2 water lines coming in and a couple coolant hoses. That is freaking awesome. I did not know they did that. What else could that be? And then I must be sharing it with the heater core over there. That is going to these hoses, these air hoses. Ducts. That is so gross. Oh my god. Use the male-to-male coupler out of here to connect these 2 pipes together. That way I can pressurize the system. Somewhere down the road, I'd love to make this just a like maybe this would be a fun project to make electric heat, or a combination of heat and engine heat. Because I love this. I love the idea of a engine hot water, or engine water heater. So I wasn't really sure what I was going to use to block up that hole till now. I realized I could just take this, flip it around, and then patch up. And I will just have a smaller hole to patch up. 2 smaller holes to patch up than the whole thing. And I don't have any more of that thin outdoor plywood. So that'll be like, I could even just put a few pieces Eternabond over that and just call it good. Put some insulation behind here. Well, it's actually pretty light. Without the water in it anyway. Okay, so corrosion. So I'm gonna get the vacuum cleaner, finish cleaning this up, flip that pad around, put that on, and then I guess go to town with some Eternabond tape. This is all falling off, so I might just do that too here. Just cut it off at that point and then Eternabond it up. And it should help water from getting in there, rusting up my frame. Gap I was looking for, where the dust was getting in. Try and just hit that with some insulation foam. Alright, got that all vacuumed out. Got this piece of trim cut off. It's pretty yikes, but less yikes than I thought it was gonna be. I just silicone underneath to the Eternabond since it's, I don't know, I figure silicone can stick to that pretty good enough. Temporary, of course. Keep the water out.